Hey, what's up, free coin holder? This is a very good news, my brother, for all free coin, my brothers, to in last 7 days, not just unique 7 days, my brother, all 10 days, last 10 days, my brother, of this month, they will completely go in the moon now and completely in the profit now. So plus 21.63%, the price will be increasing just in only in last 7 days, and this is very good news, my brothers. So they will be increasing now. So the price completely moving in upward direction, but this time, my friend, as you can see the chart result, so that's clear, my brothers. So you can see, my brother, after this pump, you can see they will dump every coin moving in this circulation. But definitely, my friend, I hope in upcoming days they will completely go in the moon now, and they will cannot give you, my friend, a loss now. So free coin, one of the unique and fastest cryptocurrency, so please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming days. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Please hold it. Don't sell it. And remember one thing. Remember, please remember that the giveaway is coming soon of free coin. So if you want to participate, so please call. Just only you need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Alright, my brother. My opinion is please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.